My wife and I had a massive argument and she kicked me out of the house. So to get away from her for a while, I came up with a crazy idea. I'm going to build an underground bunker. This is part 3. To make this bunker actually usable, the elevator had to work properly. So I went back to improving it. I used wood and nails, took careful measurements, and built a vertical lift shaft just big enough for one person to stand in. Then I secured everything tightly with iron wire and hooked it up to the motor system I built earlier. After a few adjustments, it was time to test it, and it ran smoothly. Now the elevator not only works great, it can even handle up to 1,000 kilos. That alone already felt super satisfying. Next, I had to do something even more important, completely bury this bunker underground so no one could ever find it. First, I built an outer frame for the elevator and reinforced it with extra wooden boards. Then I used the excavator to dig around the area, laid down the waterproof sheets I'd prepared so rain wouldn't seep in, added another protective layer, and slowly buried everything back underground. It was exhausting and honestly wore me out, but seeing everything hidden beneath the surface except the elevator entrance and realizing the project was already halfway done made me incredibly happy. To speed things up, I started working on the interior. I spent $500 on insulation materials and covered all the walls with them. Then I spent another $1,200 on waterproof wooden boards to seal everything tightly. Finally, I painted the ceiling. The painting process was brutal. I ended up covered in paint, but it was totally worth it. Now the basic interior structure is finally taking shape. This crazy idea I once had is slowly becoming real, and honestly, I couldn't be happier. Next, I'm moving on to part 4.